This smartwatch from ZTE's Nubia brand boasts a unique 4-inch flexible AMOLED screen that wraps around your wrist for comfortable all-day wear. It tracks your heart rate, activity levels, and sleep patterns, and even includes a built-in GPS, providing a comprehensive fitness picture. Enjoy a week of battery life in power-saving mode, make calls directly from your watch, and customize the watch face with various designs. Nubia is known for its innovative cutting-edge technology in the smartphone market. It costs $220. Precision is critical when hanging pictures, mirrors, or artwork, and this innovative gadget simplifies the process. It uses a sliding marker to locate and clearly outline keyhole mounts with bright black and white markers, ideal for wood, metal, and rough surfaces. For added convenience, the tool includes a built-in level to ensure your items are perfectly straight, and the markings are easily removed with a magic eraser or denatured alcohol. You can buy this for $37. These fidget spinners are a fun and creative way to relieve stress, boost concentration, and add a touch of personality to your day. LautiEDC focuses on high-quality fidget toys, often made from premium materials like titanium and brass, ensuring durability and a satisfying feel. The company offers various customization options with different colors, finishes, and themes, allowing you to find one that perfectly suits your style. The spinner costs $160, while the price can vary based on material and customization. Say goodbye to the frustration of measuring, marking, and hanging pictures perfectly with this ingenious tool. This tool combines a spirit level, hooks, and a precise pin, making it a must-have for DIYers and art enthusiasts. Simply place the tool against the wall, press the button to lock in the hooks, and the pin marks the exact spot for your nail, ensuring your pictures hang straight the first time. This clever invention makes solo picture hanging a breeze, saving you time and avoiding unnecessary wall damage. The invention costs $37. This handheld steam cleaner provides a chemical-free way to clean and sanitize surfaces throughout your home, making it perfect for those seeking an eco-friendly cleaning solution. The steamer reaches around 110 degrees Celsius, removing dirt and grime from various materials, including tile countertops and upholstery. It comes with various attachments to tackle different cleaning tasks and features a long operation time with 1 minute of steam followed by 1.5 minutes of rest. It also comes equipped with a 4-button control panel and guided voice prompts. The gadget costs $470. This futuristic-looking headset is, in fact, a powerful and versatile piece of gear designed for immersive virtual reality and augmented reality experiences. It features a high-resolution display with a smooth refresh rate, ensuring clear and comfortable visuals. The lightweight ergonomic design and adjustable components make it adaptable to many users. It comes with the options for wireless connectivity or a wired connection for maximum performance. The VR headset costs $1,099. Transform your smartphone into a hands-free camera with the innovative mobile add-on. This versatile accessory easily converts from a carrying strap into a selfie stick and a tripod in seconds. It's perfect for capturing memories on the go, vlogging, or creating social media content. The morf strap is compatible with most smartphones, and its slim profile adds minimal bulk. The device costs $80 and includes the morf trigger, a remote-controlled camera shutter. This multi-tool aims to be the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and everyday problem solvers. It boasts impressive functions, including a fire starter, whistle, emergency signal mirror, and even a laser rangefinder. The 2King Silver is built with durable materials and designed to fit compactly in your pocket or backpack. You can buy this gadget for $179. This ultra-compact power bank is the ultimate solution for on-the-go charging emergencies. Its unique car key fob design makes it incredibly portable and easy to attach to your keychain. Despite its small size, the power bank packs a 1,400 mAh battery capable of significantly boosting your smartphone. It includes USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB cables for maximum compatibility and features a patented charging dock. You can buy the power bank for $29. This helpful gadget takes the worry out of feeding time. It is designed for busy pet owners or when you're away from home. This automatic feeder holds up to 2L of dry food and can dispense up to 6 meals daily with customizable portions. Its spill-proof and tamper-proof design prevents curious pets from overeating or accessing the food supply. It also features remote feeding via a user-friendly app, or you can opt for manual mode. The base model costs $50. Transform aluminum cans into stylish drinking cups with this next innovative gadget. This easy-to-use tool smoothly removes the entire top of the can, leaving no sharp edges. It's ideal for enjoying a more enhanced drinking experience from your favorite canned beverages. The device is compact and easily portable, perfect for picnics, camping trips, or tailgate parties. It comes with a price point of $22.